Kicking things off, we have the Amazfit Band 7 Lifestyle smartwatch. With its stunning HD AMOLED display and an incredible 18-day battery life, this smartwatch is more than just a timepiece. It's your ultimate lifestyle companion, keeping you connected and stylish 24/7. And at just $99, it's a steal. Next up, we have the Summerside Soft Recycled Lifestyle Towel. Say goodbye to bulky bags and hello to convenience with its built-in hidden zip pocket. Perfect for stashing your valuables while you soak up the sun or hit the gym. And at only $29, it's a must-have for any adventure. For those of you with a taste for adventure, the Magpul Dhaka Gear Collection is your go-to choice. Engineered for durability and performance, this gear can handle even the most extreme lifestyles. Whether you're hiking, biking, or just braving the urban jungle, Magpul has got you covered. Prices vary, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Ever dreamed of bringing holograms into your everyday life? Well, dream no more with the Holo Z. Transform your smartphone, iPad, or TV into a mesmerizing holographic experience. It's like having a sci-fi movie come to life in your living room. Prices start at $149. Stay on top of your fitness game with the Mavoy TicWatch E2. Whether you're hitting the gym or making a splash in the pool, this smartwatch has got your back. With its waterproof design and comprehensive fitness tracking features, it's the ultimate workout buddy. And at just $179, it's a no-brainer. Who says wellness can't be stylish? Enter the Bellabeat Leaf Chakra Holistic Wellness Tracker. This elegant piece of jewelry not only complements your outfit, but also provides valuable insights into your lifestyle and well-being. It's like having a personal wellness coach on your wrist. Prices start at $129. Say goodbye to fumbling in the dark with the BrightLock high-tech illuminated doorknob. This customizable doorknob adds a touch of modern elegance to your home while making it easier than ever to unlock your door. Prices vary depending on customization options. Travel in style with the Limitless Duffel. Whether you're jet-setting across the globe or just heading to the gym, this unisex carry-on has got you covered. With its sleek design and ample storage space, it's the perfect companion for any adventure. Prices start at $99. Protect your precious memories with the Western Digital G Technology Armor ATD. Built to withstand even the toughest conditions, this rugged portable hard drive is a must-have for anyone on the go. Whether you're hiking through the wilderness or just commuting to work, it'll keep your data safe and secure. Prices start at $89. Last but certainly not least, we have the Nevio All-in-One Hi-Fi Power Bank headphones. These versatile headphones are perfect for life on the go, with crystal clear sound and built-in power bank functionality. Whether you're traveling or just enjoying your favorite tunes at home, they've got you covered. Prices start at $129. For those with a sporty lifestyle, look no further than the Breitling Endurance Pro Ironman Edition watch. This durable timepiece is built to withstand the rigors of your active lifestyle, whether you're hitting the trails or crushing it at the gym. With its sleek design and advanced features, it's a statement piece that keeps up with your every move. Prices start at $2,800. Introducing the Wren's Nomad Waterproof Coffee Shoe, the sustainable shoe for all active lifestyles. Made from recycled coffee grounds and plastic bottles, these shoes not only keep your feet dry, but also help protect the planet. Whether you're hiking, running, or just exploring the great outdoors, Wren's has got you covered. Prices start at $1.99. Struggling to keep track of your nutrition? Meet the Smart Plate Portion Control Dish. This innovative dish calculates the carbohydrates and calories in your meals, helping you stay on track with your health and fitness goals. It's like having a personal nutritionist right at your table. Prices start at $129. Looking to seamlessly integrate electric vehicle charging into your home? The ABB eMobility Terra Home AC charging solution has got you covered. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, charging your electric vehicle has never been easier. Say goodbye to range anxiety and hello to hassle-free charging at home. Prices start at $699. Capture life's moments in stunning detail with the Canon EOS R3 mirrorless camera. With its lightning-fast shooting speed of up to 30 frames per second and impressive 6K resolution, this camera is a game-changer for photographers and videographers alike. Whether you're capturing action shots or breathtaking landscapes, the EOS R3 delivers unrivaled performance. Prices start at $5,999. And there you have it, folks. 15 epic gadgets and gear to elevate your lifestyle to new heights. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are ready to take their lifestyle to the next level. Until next time, stay awesome and keep embracing the tech-savvy life.